Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Pare and I'm back again with another video. If you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Thank you once again for clicking the video, and you know how we do it. You hit the like button before we get into the video. And yeah, if this is your first time of seeing this first, thank you and welcome to the channel. Do me a favor by liking the video and subscribe to the channel so that you can see content like this. Welcome once again. Guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Today, I'll be talking about 3 powerful businesses that you can start with less than $100. Yes, I mean it, less than $100. These are 3 powerful business ideas, and I will advise that you watch this video to the end so that you can get all the juicy information that I'm about to share. I've always said this: if you're in the UK and all you depend on is just your salary, come on, you are not gonna go far, because definitely you're going to spend everything at the end of the month. No side hustle, no business, nothing to help you to generate extra fund in this country. Nah, you will definitely have no saving. You'll be limited in so many things. So it's very, very good. It's very, very advisable to have something by the side that can give you extra income. Very, very important. I've carefully selected these ideas because all you need is just less than $100 and you're in business. Not only in the UK, this idea can work in the US, it can work in Canada, Bangladesh, India, anywhere you are in the world. Even if you're in Nigeria, you can implement these ideas and you can start making money right away. With everything in the world currently on the rise, this creates an opportunity for people with smart ideas, because invariably with the rising cost of everything, this is like an opportunity for side hustle. This is like an opportunity to start a business. Also, with the rise of AI, the rise of technology, the rise of AI tools and so many other things, it makes it so easy to get into business. It makes it so easy to have all the tools that you need to succeed in all these businesses. So this is very, very important. All you need is a good laptop and internet and less than $100 and you're in business. And that reminds me, I've got 3 powerful laptops right here with me. These are all powerful laptops, and if you want this, just DM me on Instagram. You can see my Instagram handle right here. DM me on Instagram and you'll get this very, very cheap. Let me show you. Very, very cheap. You can also buy this laptop to somebody that you want to encourage, somebody that you want to motivate, you understand? Maybe someone in Nigeria. If you're in the UK and you're in Nigeria and watching this, you might not be Nigerian, you might be an Indian watching this, and you want to encourage somebody back home, you can get this laptop and send it to them. You are gonna sow a seed to them. Give them these ideas and definitely you don't know what you've done for them. Alright, number 1, AI content editing and fact-checking services. AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot are helpful for speeding up content creation process. They are notorious for errors, repetition, outdated information, and grammatical inconsistencies. This is where you come in. You can be a freelance content writer. You are still going to use the AI tools to create your content. Based on your knowledge or area of specialization, let's say for instance you are into law or you are into digital marketing, you will use your knowledge to fact-check AI generated content. Like I said, for instance, you're into digital marketing and you happen to run this business for a digital marketing company. You've gotten the knowledge and the skills based on all the years you have spent learning digital marketing. So with all the grammatical errors that would come from AI, or let's say ChatGPT, you'll be able to correct these little mistakes because you have a wealth of knowledge in that field or area. This will enable you to create credible, accurate, trustworthy information for businesses. This can be white papers, it can be blogs, it can be reports, or it can be, let's say, newsletters. So many startups and businesses want to update their blogs or newsletters. So many startups and businesses as well are looking for people that can write blogs for them or people that can start a newsletter for them. This is where you can come in. You charge them for this service and you make your money. So you can do this in 2 ways. Either you create the content using the AI tools like I just explained, then you reach out to these companies, or you become an AI content reviewer for them. Example is a company called Outlier. So these guys have AI content reviewers. So instead of working for them and they make money on top of you, maybe due to the commission that you pay, you can rather source for clients, you do the same job for them, and you get 100% of the money you're making. So what the startup cost for this? Very, very cheap. Monthly subscription to Grammarly is okay. It's okay for a start. You can also use a tool called Hemingway or ChatGPT premium subscription for a start. Number 2, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram video editing for brands. A lot of people don't understand how much content creators are making these days. Like, everyone needs to get into the content creation process. If you're not the type that don't want to show your face, a lot of people are scared of putting their face in front of the camera, then fine. Nobody's forcing you or nobody's pushing you to start making videos. But you can still get into the content creation without you being in front of the camera, and that is where the editing process comes in. So get into the editing process for big brands, companies, industries, and a whole lot. All the social media companies are taking advantage of this content creation. Social medias are pushing algorithm on short form content because they understand that brands are using this for marketing purposes. A platform like LinkedIn had to introduce the short form video content because they understand everybody is making use of this, and they are really pushing algorithm on videos on that platform. So this is where you come in, you find an industry or a brand that you are passionate about. It has to come with passion. Use some of the free and relatively inexpensive tools like CapCut, Canva video editor, Movavi, etc. There are so many other free editing software that you can make use of. Use some of these tools to create content for some of these brands. You can charge between $50 to $250 or pounds depending on the project that you are embarking on. Or you can say something like, okay, I'm gonna create 10 TikTok videos for you per month. This is what I'm gonna charge you. Or 15 Instagram reels, or 15 YouTube short videos. Depending on your strength, you can charge them by telling them what you can give them per month. The startup cost for this business is just 30 or 50 pounds. You might need a premium subscription on any of the video editing platform that you are familiar with. You can build a mini AI website that you can use to show clients your portfolio, the works that you have done. You can also use Google Drive as your portfolio, or you can use your social media page whereby you can show them, okay, this is what you have been doing, this is what you have been working on. Go to my site, go to my page, and you can see the work that I've done. That's all you need to get into this business. All right, thank you to Huel for sponsoring this video. This happens to be my best drink for now. You can get £10 off your first order if you can use the code showing on the screen. I am Pare. I'll put the link in the description. Go and check it out. Number 3, social media management agency. Social media management is an in-demand skills right now. As you already know, more than half of the world population are on social media. So social media is not a place to joke with. You can start a social media management business for less than $100 and you scale it quickly within just a few months. What you can do is to develop simple content calendar for multiple social media outlets. You create and schedule posts and you run their profiles by monitoring engagement and analytics, and also managing incoming audience traffic. Focus on a niche that you are passionate about. I will keep saying this because if you are passionate about a particular niche, you will find the joy, you find the love of creating content for that brand or maybe managing their social media page. But when you are stuck in an area that you don't really love, it's going to be boring. Also focus on the niche and area that you have so much knowledge about, because you will be able to bring out your creativity when you are doing something that you have a whole lot of information about. Let's say, for instance, you want to get into fitness. You can target fitness coaches, personal trainers, or your local gyms. You can just do a quick Google search on a local gym around you, approach them, tell them you want to become a social media manager for them, and hear what they have to say. A lot of them will welcome the idea because most of them don't know how to do this. Or you are into food, you look out for restaurants, you look out for bars, clubs, pubs, and bring these ideas to them. This is going to really help them to drive more traffic, online orders, and it's gonna boost their business. So it's something they will really appreciate. The startup cost as well is less than £100. What do you need? You need a tool like Jasper. Jasper is an AI tool that will help you to streamline content creation. It will help you to schedule process, and it's just $39 per month. Simple. You might also need Canva for branding and content creation. Those are the 3 powerful ideas. What do you think about it? Don't forget that every small business starts with a little step. The moment you can get that first client, you can build on that. More are definitely gonna come. As you make money, you reinvest the money into the business. It can be buying more tools, buying more equipment, getting more AI tools, or getting more professional premium subscription that can help you do the work perfectly well. So you make money, you reinvest into the business, you get more people to help you do the work, and that is it. So that's the video for you. Let me know what you think about these ideas. Let me know if you would be happy to jump on any one of them. Don't forget to hit the like button, share the video if you find it useful, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Until next time, I remain my humble self, Pare, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Biash. Boom.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface, and I could walk for days